Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will say, O Adam, he will submit, I am at your service and pleasure. Every good is in your possession. The transmitter says it will be said, bring out doomed to hell. He will submit, at what ratio? It will be said, 999 out of each 1,000. Whereupon the children will grow old, the pregnants will cast their conceptions, and the people will look as if they were intoxicated, though they will not be intoxicated. Yes, the chastisement of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is extremely nerve-wracking. This exercise a great impact on the companions, and they submit, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who will be that one person amongst us? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, cheer up, for 1,000 will be out of Gog Magog, whereas one from you. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, by him in whose hand my soul is, I hope you will make the 1/3 of the inmates of paradise. The transmitter says, we glorified and extolled Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and uttered takbeer. Allah is the greatest. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam later said, I wish you may be the half of the inhabitants of paradise. Verily, amongst the other people, you are like a white hair on the skin of a black bull, or the white patch on the front leg of an ass. That is extremely conspicuous. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6530.